Did you know? Installing solar panels isn't just making power, it's investing in the future. The PV-SMI series uses pure sine wave technology for smooth, stable output. Each inverter features multiple MPPT inputs, each supporting up to 750 watts of solar panels. It maximizes solar energy harvest and converts DC to AC efficiently. Built to perform in any weather, heat or cold. With IP67 protection, it's sealed against dust and rain. Easy to install and simple to maintain. Supports both Wi-Fi and PLC connections. Monitor power generation and system status anytime via app or web. Each PV-SMI 2000 generates about 2,555 kilowatt-hours of clean energy per year. Cut carbon emissions and boost ESG performance, smart, green, and profitable. For home savings or business upgrades, the SMI Micro Inverter is your best energy partner. Meanwhile, powering a greener future. For more information, contact us today.